Sleep is that golden chain that ties our health and body together. Thomas Decker. How did you wake up this morning? Were you feeling tired or great? Were you hitting the snooze button one more time, or you just jumped out of bed full of excitement? A few months ago, one of my colleagues came to me and said, "Look man, you really have to meet these two friends of mine. They have a great idea and you have to hear it." So, because I was curious, I decided to accept. And I meet the guys. When they stepped into my office, they were smiling and they said this one thing: "We want to hack sleep." And that really got my attention. They continued, "We want to build this mobile application that could track your sleep and determine when is the right moment for you to wake up in order to feel great the whole day." And I found that really interesting. The main reason why I created the Arktech was to help ambitious people with bold ideas to bring their ideas to life, and to do that with the help of mobile technologies. And this is how I always imagined it. Improving people's life was and is one of my goals, and because of that I accepted to do this. So we did it. We started doing this by studying a little bit more on how sleep actually works, and what we discovered was quite interesting. During our sleep, we are cycling through 5 steps, and these steps are quite related to our heart rate variation, and that's really interesting. So in order to determine what is the right step in which we should wake up in order to feel great the whole day, and we use the optical heart rate monitor to track your whole night heart rate. And what we discovered is amazing. Now let me show you how it works.
We choose a username. For example, Aurelian, the Arktech. Okay? Then we can see that there is no per device right now, so we have to add one. We will now search for a device. We found a device and we want to pair with it. And now there is the pairing section. And we have our paired device here. And as you can see, this is the only device that we have at the moment here. And here is my heart rate. So all night long, this will work. It works in background. So I can close the application, I can put it in background. It will register my heart rate. And here we have the full night report.
If you have any questions, go to the comment sections below and put them there. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join the notification squad and be notified when we upload a new video. Until next time, I'm Aurelian. Take care. Bye bye.